Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get iMessage games on iPhone. All right. So first up, go ahead and tap on the messaging app. And then, as you can see here, I've got a ton of games right here. So what you'll do basically is select the contact that you wanted to challenge. And then just go to the plus sign right here at the bottom left, tap on more, and tap on store. Okay. And once that's done, tap on the search bar or search function and tap on the search bar right here. Type down game pigeon. Okay, as you can see, we have game pigeon right here. So just type it down and then click on it. And after that, game pigeon will be available. So just tap on get and install it. And once the installation process is done, just swipe up, open up messages again. Now this time you have the contact. Just tap the plus sign, tap on more, tap on game pigeon, and then you'll be able to see a ton of games. Okay, so say for example, we are going to play chess. So just tap on chess, tap on send right here to verify, and then tap on play. Now all you got to do is just wait for your opponent to join, and then you'll be able to start the game. That's how easy it is to get iMessage games on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.